Hi guys, as well as we have created an HTML code guys. We have created HTML web pages by using a code called HTML guys. We also connected CSS styling scripts to our HTML code guys. We have created a CSS style scripts and we connected the CSS style scripts to our HTML code, and also we have connected the bootstrap style scripts to our HTML code guys. And even we have provided some kind of font awesome icons. You can see here like this type of icons which we have provided, like Apple icons, Google Play Store icons, circular tick icons, and heart icons. Like this you can also create a Facebook, Twitter and Instagram icons also guys. And we created a beautiful web pages like this, and even we have created some kind of animated web pages in our future videos guys. Now we are going deep into the web development course guys. Means we are going to starting our JavaScript code guys. Our JavaScript, here is the W3 school guys. Here you can learn the basic level of JavaScript guys. Now I am going to open this thing and you can get some basic kind of scripts about how to learn JavaScript. I am going to tell you the step-by-step things how we can run JavaScript into your HTML web pages like this. First of all, to get into a practice, I am going into the Google Chrome and I am going to open an inspection. Here is my inspection. I go to console. Even you can press Ctrl Shift I to open your console document guys. Here I am going to use some kind of a simple JavaScript guys. Simple JavaScripts. The first simple JavaScript is alert. Let me give an alert. Some alert. Let me provide a value. Hello world. Let me provide a hello world. Giving enter. See, an alert has given. And now this is an alert is an very simple JavaScript guys. It is a very simple JavaScript. We providing alert. Now for getting another practice, we are printing an alert. Means we are printing some names at below this here guys. We are going to print console.log. We are providing some kind of name hello world, or I like to give my channel name Course-Coder-K, and even I like to provide welcome to the complete web development course. To get into one step of line, you should press shift key and also press enter key. You can get another line. If you press directly and enter, it will show the result like this. To get another line, you should always press and shift plus enter. These are the two basic commands. This is the command which will print an document like code. It is a print statement and it is an alert statement. You can give an alert, anything like alert. Even you can give an alert 1. It provides alert 1. Even you can give like alert 1 plus 3, it show you 4, it add the result and show you the 4, it shows anything. Now to get into another practice, we are diving into some prompts, guys. I provide a prompt. I provided a prompt value. Here I provide something like, what is your name? What is your name? I like to provide a capital letter for the name. What is your name? I keep an enter. See, it asking you something entering statement. Prompt will use like this type of thing. I provide something like Maxwell. I click on OK. It given the Maxwell name, but it doesn't provide us anything to us. Let me use something like war. I provided war. I give any name. I provide name, war name. I copy this thing. I will copy this thing. I paste it at here, and I provide some kind of, let me give something alert. I will provide an alert. What is your name? I provide hello plus name. See, so yes, hello plus name. Okay. Maxwell, it provides hello Maxwell. It provides an alert statement, hello Maxwell. Yes, I like to provide like these things. And even you can also provide some kind of welcome to Google Chrome. Yes, I like to give an welcome to Google Chrome. Yes, hello Maxwell. I know I will give another name. Let me think about a name. Sai. Okay, hello Sai, welcome to Google Chrome. Yes, I like to provide like this type of things. Okay guys, we got a little bit practice in this console, means Google console.log. Now I like to go to this code, means I like to go at here. I'll give just a bit of practice at here. To get a bit of practice, let me provide some script at here. I will provide a script. Let me have alert. Welcome to Course-Coder-K. Alert, I given a script with an alert, welcome to Course-Coder-K, and I am going to reload it. See, it show me a message, alert message. Okay, when I press OK, it show me like this type of web page. And now I am going to delete it. I like to give a prompt. I like to give a prompt. Prompt, what is your name? No. Provide your email ID. Please provide your email ID or email is equal to from to provide your email ID. Let me give some type of some kind of means I would like to provide an email ID. I want to give alert thank you, alert for thank you for your email ID. Okay. Here what should I want to provide? I like to give console.log email. I press OK. Now I am going to reload it. Here it's asking me email ID abcd@gmail.com something abcd@gmail.com. Thank you for your email ID. Yes, while coming to console log, it will show in my terminal. I open my terminal. Here I am going to run. Sorry. Okay. I reload this. Okay. Let me. Okay, guys. It doesn't printing at here. Okay, let me cut it out. We'll check about printings in our next thing. As far as here we reload it, it provides something type filter type okay, or the thing has been created. Okay, guys, now I like to delete all this thing. I don't need to require. I not disrupt my HTML pages right here. I like to provide an JavaScript behind the background. So to provide it, I like to use something like Course-Coder-K.JS. I have given a Course-Coder-K.JS. Here I like to provide the script. To provide the script, I like to link it at here. Let me link. sorry guys, JavaScript doesn't link here. It should always link in the body section. So that's why I again like to give an scripting, and now I give an source. Here in this source I provide Course-Coder-K-JavaScript. Okay, now the thing will booms when we write the code here. The thing will booms. I write to have alert, again alert, like to provide hello guys. Let me inspection this. So yes, let me inspect it here. You can see all the inspections, write it down. Now I like to provide console.log, like to provide and hi guys. Okay, let me reload it. Hello guys, see, it provided an hello guys right here. Our console has been created. To know more, let me comment it. Now again I reload it. See, you can check our alert has been gone, our console. Let me comment out the console. I'll again reload it. See, cannot get our console log. I'll comment it back right here. Now again I reload it. See, our JavaScript is placing right into our web pages guys. Yes, it's cool. Okay guys, thank you for watching this beautiful JavaScript video guys. To know more updates about JavaScript or building and web pages, or how to hack into any things, or to learn ethical hacking, please subscribe to our YouTube channel guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel guys and click on the bell icon. We will provide you a great stuff like this, and even more great stuff, even better than this will provide you. To get more updates, please subscribe and click on the bell icon, and even you can go to our website. You can learn all these blogs. Even you can go to this website, you can learn all these blogs right here which we have placed right here. You can learn these things and also get more knowledge about hacking or web development or etc. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and again please subscribe to my channel. Please provide a like button, and please share the video to your friends guys. Please guys. Okay guys, I'm leaving now. Please subscribe to my channel. It's my last request guys. Bye bye guys.